Hi, I'm Brian Alexander. Today on Science and Dentistry, we're going to examine the physics behind snoring and sleep apnea. Now, everybody knows what snoring sounds like, but what causes it? Snoring is the sound that happens when the soft tissues of your throat vibrate during sleep. To show you what I mean, take a look at this balloon. If I hold my fingers loosely and let the air out smoothly, it sounds like this. There's not much sound. But if I pinch the neck of the balloon and let the air out, we get... The reason? Well, air has to move faster when it's moving through an area that's constricted. In the case of this balloon, that faster air makes the soft latex vibrate, and that vibration causes sound. Well, the same thing happens in your airway when you snore. In people who snore, the tongue, soft palate, throat muscles, and lower jaw relax toward the back of the throat during sleep. And this narrows the airway. The air is forced to move faster, and it vibrates the soft tissues. This vibration produces the sound we call snoring. Snoring can be a real annoyance, but it's not life-threatening unless it's a sign of a condition called obstructive sleep apnea. With this condition, the tongue and other soft tissues don't simply narrow your airway, they completely block it repeatedly during sleep, cutting off your oxygen for a minute or more each time. Apnea victims have to wake up slightly each time in order to breathe, and they usually gasp or snore as well. It's a dangerous condition that's been linked to cardiovascular problems, depression, and daytime sleepiness. If you or someone you know snores or suffers from sleep apnea, you can get help from your dentist and physician. They can give you advice and treatments to help you breathe and sleep easier. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on Science and Dentistry.